Did you know that hybrid cars are revolutionizing the automotive industry in 2025? But here's the twist. While they promise the best of both worlds, fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, they come with their own set of challenges. Stick around till the end, because the number one drawback will shock you. In 2025, hybrid cars have become a significant part of the automotive landscape. Combining internal combustion engines with electric motors, these vehicles aim to offer improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. But are they truly the best of both worlds? The global automotive market has seen a surge in hybrid vehicle adoption. In China, for instance, extended-range electric vehicles, EREVs, and plug-in hybrids experienced a 79% and 76% increase in sales, respectively, outpacing pure electric vehicles. This trend is attributed to advancements in battery technology and consumer demand for longer driving ranges. Fuel efficiency. Hybrid vehicles are designed to optimize fuel consumption. By utilizing both gasoline and electric power, they can achieve higher miles per gallon compared to traditional vehicles. This not only saves money at the pump, but also reduces the overall carbon footprint. Reduced emissions. Hybrids emit fewer pollutants than their gasoline-only counterparts. The combination of an electric motor with a gasoline engine leads to lower greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. Regenerative braking. Many hybrid cars are equipped with regenerative braking systems that capture energy during braking and store it in the battery. This process improves energy efficiency and reduces wear on brake components. Higher initial cost. One of the primary disadvantages of hybrid vehicles is their higher purchase price. The advanced technology and components, such as electric motors and batteries, contribute to increased manufacturing costs, which are passed on to consumers. Battery replacement costs. Over time, hybrid batteries may degrade and require replacement. Depending on the model, battery replacement can be expensive, potentially offsetting the savings achieved through fuel efficiency. Limited electric-only range. While hybrids can operate on electric power alone, their range is typically limited. For longer trips, the gasoline engine is often necessary, reducing the benefits of electric-only driving. Maintenance and repair costs. The complexity of hybrid systems can lead to higher maintenance and repair costs. Specialized knowledge and parts may be required, and not all service centers are equipped to handle hybrid vehicles. Despite the challenges, hybrid vehicles continue to evolve. Manufacturers are investing in research and development to improve battery technology, enhance fuel efficiency, and reduce costs. As infrastructure for electric vehicles expands and consumer preferences shift, hybrids may serve as a transitional solution toward fully electric transportation. So are hybrid cars the best of both worlds? They offer significant benefits in terms of fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. However, the higher initial costs, potential battery replacement expenses, and limited electric-only range are factors to consider. As technology advances and infrastructure improves, hybrids may become an even more attractive option for eco-conscious consumers. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of automotive technology. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.